think the first drain field I helped put in was in 1996. That was before I even knew chambers existed. And then 2001 was when I started installing chambers. I like working with companies that are more privately owned rather than big corporations. So I think Pritzco is a better match. I switched over for availability, and the chambers we usually use, they are a 5-foot lay length. I think they're a little lighter than these ones. They're really flimsy. You can tell it just picking them up. They bend all over the place. And then you have to be careful with backfilling them. And then the other issue is when you're putting them together, they don't want to clip in very easy. And when it gets cold in North Dakota. They can crack. Your guys are just as solid or more, probably a better product. That's one of the things that I was looking at with your chamber. These ones seem a lot more rigid, have a nice solid clip in on every joint. Since they switched to chambers, I haven't seen one fail. They typically say 15 to 20 years, but I've seen them last way longer. They're kind of the standard right now. I think they're going to go well into the future. I haven't seen anything other than a lot more expensive option to treat sewage yet.